If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified on the next videos which I will post in this channel. This time we will go to Hollywood in Los Angeles, California in the USA. After our tour of the Griffith Observatory, we traveled using Uber and went back to the Hollywood Vine subway station, which is found at the Hollywood Boulevard, for the continuation of our tour of the Hollywood Walk of Fame. The Hollywood Walk of Fame comprises more than 2,690 five-pointed terrazzo and brass stars, which can be seen on the sidewalk of both sides of the Hollywood Boulevard and serves as a permanent monument to the achievement in the entertainment industry. Walking along the Hollywood Boulevard, we turn left at Vine Street, where we can also find the continuation of the Hollywood Walk of Fame. The Hollywood Walk of Fame finally ends at the corner of Vine Street and Sunset Boulevard. Going back at the corner of Vine Street and Hollywood Boulevard, we found this marker of Hollywood and Vine, which says that this place is at the heart of the entertainment capital of the world. Along Vine Street, just past the corner of Hollywood Boulevard and Vine Street, we found Capitol Records, which is an American label whose roster included famous singers like Nat King Cole, Frank Sinatra, Tina Turner, Paul McCartney, The Beach Boys, Neil Diamond, Linda Ronstadt, and the Eagles. After that, we went back to Hollywood Boulevard to buy some souvenir items from Hollywood, USA. Along the Hollywood Boulevard, we found the Museum of Illusions, the Wax Museum, Guinness World Records, and Ripley's Believe It or Not. Along the Hollywood Boulevard is the Hollywood and Highland, a 36,000 square meter center which includes the TCL Chinese Theater and the Dolby Theater, formerly known as the Kodak Theater, and home of the Academy Awards. This is one of the most visited tourist destinations in Los Angeles. The complex can be found just across the Hollywood Boulevard from the El Capitan Theater. At the TCL Chinese Theater, which is formerly known as Grauman's Chinese Theater, we pause before the imprint of Michael Jackson's Hand and Shoes. According to the story, Michael Jackson's three children, Paris, Prince, and Blanket, honored their father by immortalizing his handprints and footprints in wet cement. Paris imprinted her father's iconic sequined glove into the cement, while Prince and Blanket placed his shoe into the cement before all three left their own handprints next to their father's. After the TCL Chinese Theater, we found Madame Tussauds Hollywood, which is a wax museum first founded by wax sculptor Madame Marie Tussauds in 1835 in London. From Madame Tussauds, we turn left at the corner of Hollywood Boulevard and walk towards Orange Drive to go and take our lunch at In-N-Out Burger Restaurant. Then we went to La La Land, which is a tourist novelty and gift shop along the Hollywood Boulevard just after Madame Tussauds. La La Land is named after the 2016 American romantic musical film La La Land. Our next destination is the original Farmers Market of Los Angeles. Using Google Map, from La La Land, we search for Farmers Market. According to our Google Map search result, we ride bus route number 217 at the bus stop near the corner of Hollywood Boulevard and Sycamore Street. After 15 stops, we get down at the bus stop near the corner of Fairfax and First Street. And so we walk from La La Land to the corner of Hollywood Boulevard and Sycamore Street, where we ride the Los Angeles Metro bus route number 217 using our Los Angeles Metro Top card. When riding the bus, you just have to listen carefully as each bus stop is announced inside the bus.
Approaching Hollywood and Fuller. Stop requested. Please use rear exit. For your safety, watch your step when exiting the bus. Approaching Fairfax and Sunset. Approaching Fairfax.
And First.
Stop requested. Please use rear exit. For your safety, watch your step when exiting the bus.
After getting down the bus near the corner of Fairfax and First Street, we walked along Fairfax and turned left at the corner of 3rd Street. Then we walked straight ahead along 3rd Street and found the farmers market on the left side of the road. The original farmers market of Los Angeles was referred to indirectly by the Beach Boys' famous song HELP is on the way, with the words of the song that says, "We ate tonight at Fairfax and 3rd," since the original farmers market of Los Angeles is right at the corner of Fairfax and 3rd Street. Just adjacent to the original farmers market is the Grove, which is a retail and entertainment complex in Los Angeles, which can be considered as part of the original farmers market. For our next destination, using Google Map on our mobile phone or tablet, we search for our travel from the Grove to the Los Angeles County Museum of Art. After entering our origin, which is the Grove, we click on Directions. Then, making the Grove as our starting point, we choose our destination as the Los Angeles County Museum of Art. After choosing our departure time, we click on Set. Then we will see a list of possible routes. We choose Los Angeles Metro bus route number 217 and we will see the whole bus route. According to our Google Map search result, we ride the Los Angeles Metro bus route number 217 at the bus stop near the corner of Fairfax and 3rd Street. After 2 stops, we get down the bus at the corner of Fairfax and 6th Street. And so from the Grove, going to our next tour destination, which is the Los Angeles County Museum of Art. We have to go and ride the bus at the corner of Fairfax and 3rd Street. After 2 stops, we get down the bus at the corner of Fairfax and 6th Street. After getting down the bus, we walk and cross the road and turn left at 6th Street. Walking along 6th Street, we find the Los Angeles County Museum of Art on the right side of the road. At the Los Angeles County Museum of Art, we take pictures at the Urban Light, which is a sculpture by Chris Burden, located at the Wilshire Boulevard entrance of the Los Angeles County Museum of Art. This installation, which was made in 2008, consists of restored street lamps in the 1920s and 1930s, which was once used in the streets of Southern California. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't worry, be happy, and have a very happy trip.